Dear delegates, welcome to the 7th Orthopathology Basic Course at Amala. First of all, let me thank each one of you for registering your name for this course. Ours is a novel idea and a necessity of COVID times. Naturally, there are a lot of uncertainties. Still, we are confident that we could rise to your expectations. We have restricted the number of delegates to 50 with a view to give you personal attention. So we expect equal enthusiasm from your side. Today, you will be receiving messages from our director, Reverend Father Julius Arakkal CMI, and Dr. Betsy Thomas, our principal, our former HOD, who was instrumental in starting this basic course, Professor C. Jayaprakash, will be telling you the objectives of this course. The proper course will be launched on 22nd morning. Reverend Father Francis Kuriseri, our former director and academic coordinator, will be officially launching it. There will be a pre-test of 4 or 5 questions. You just attempt that. Don't bother even if you don't know. Then there will be topic presentation by our faculty on 22nd, 23rd and 24th. You can submit your doubts after completing that day's topic either through WhatsApp or through the forum provided. On 25th, that is on day 4, we will conduct a post-test based on the lectures posted on day 1, 2 and 3. Once you complete that test, you find interesting case scenarios. They will be posted on day 4 and 5. There will be a total of 12 case scenarios. During their presentation, there will be multiple choice questions in between the slides. If only you attempt, that is, answer the questions, you can proceed further. We will be giving a cash prize of rupees 2000 for the student who scored the highest mark. There will be 2 consolation prizes of rupees 1000 each. These prizes are just to arouse interest in answering the questions. If more than one person gets same mark, prize winner will be determined by the delegates' performance during the interactive session on 28th. Only answer received at 8 a.m. on 27th, that is Saturday, will be considered for prizes. All these learning and answering questions can be done at any time at your convenience during these days. On 28th, on Sunday, it will be a live online discussion. We start at 8 a.m. Questions and answers will be discussed first. This is followed by discussion on doubts you have submitted. You can ask or type questions in between. They also will be discussed. There will be a lunch break between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. If there is further time after all these discussions and interaction, we have kept reserved case scenarios so that the CME will continue till 4 p.m. Wishing you a fruitful week with us, Dr. Dominic, for the entire Amala Ortho Pathology Basic Course team. Thank you.